The International Center for Earth Simulation, ICES, in Geneva, our plan is to provide a global model which allows us to do high resolution simulation of many natural phenomena on the planet, including the climate, the weather, the oceans, the mountains, the rivers, and to understand the dynamics of our living planet more and more on a global basis.
Yes.
This information should help every nation understand and even build higher resolution models locally, which we cannot do on the global basis. So it's a partnership between having the global picture enables you to make a more accurate local picture. And that is a relationship we would like to build with China and the Chinese government and different levels inside of China. So we are delighted to know that the consciousness of China is moving up, and the importance of understanding the natural environment in China so that it can be part of the global picture. And human society here is also such an important factor with 1.3 billion people, maybe more, interacting with the planet. We must know how this connection works well, and then this will fill in the total global picture. So the Chinese knowledge will help the global picture, and the global picture will help Chinese knowledge. There is the interaction of both.
Yeah.
And we are both emerging at the same time. Global knowledge today is siloed, very specialized, and the purpose of the International Center for Earth Simulation is to integrate all of these sciences, both natural science as well as social economic science, to integrate them globally so that you can integrate locally with the outside boundary conditions. You understand the atmosphere coming into China, you understand the ocean flowing past China, you understand the rivers coming, for example, from the Himalayas. You understand all the components coming into China from the outside. And therefore, we have both a local effort and we have a global effort. All of that coming together in a center of excellence. This is a wonderful idea which is incubated from the conference.
Yes.
So integrating China across all these levels of input is quite a challenge, but it can only be done with IT and leadership. So if China can create this center of excellence, then we can connect it to the global picture easily. But if it's fragmented, it's very hard to connect it to the global picture.
Yes.
And I think this is the challenge, how to bring together in China. And this proposed conference, continuation of this conference, and the transformation into a forum of focused on natural disaster and response and reconstruction, bringing all this knowledge together will be a wonderful tool for the other countries in the world to learn from.